Adam Gilda dwi, a dyma dechrau'r fideo.
Welsh!
Hello, or as we say in Wales, come on newcomer, follow me. Have you had an accident in the last 4 years? Have you suffered a trip or a fall that wasn't your fault? Of course you have. Now hopefully, you're fine, you're okay. But if not, if you were badly injured, you probably had to go and get some surgery. Or if you're American, you probably had to remortgage your house, sell your kids into slavery, turn a couple of tricks, and then, if you're still alive, get surgery. Well, in Wales, you would have been fine. You'd have walked straight into that hospital and you would have got some llaw meddagaeth. Surgery. Llaw meddagaeth. Meddagaeth is medicine and llaw is hand. So surgery is literally hand medicine. Now I think hand medicine is a brilliant idea. What better way for the NHS to keep costs down than to employ miracle workers who can simply lay on hands, fel o'r Iesu. But it gets better. When you have llaw meddagaeth, when you have surgery, what you're actually having is an operation. An operation in Welsh is llawdriniaeth, hand treatment. Now what I found particularly strange about this operation, llawdriniaeth, is that it's doctors that you think of performing this operation. But if you watch videos, it seems to always be nurses that are giving people hand treatment. And mouth treatment, actually. To ensure a healthy lifestyle, medical experts recommend that you apply hand treatment twice daily. And of course, that's the origin of NHS Wales's new slogan. With llawdriniaeth, every operation has a happy ending.
Welsh!
For bookings, inquiries and declarations of undying fealty to me, direct them to adamgilda87@gmail.com. For more helpful Welsh videos, why not check out the Hub TV channel? I'm also on there doing this but with far more Welsh. And for this video, here's my owl.